everyone, I'm Seohee teacher. Today I'm going to read the story, The Boy Who Cried the Wolf. Long time ago, there lived a shepherd boy who looked after sheep in the field. One day, the shepherd boy was resting beneath a tree alone.
Oh, I'm so poor. Is there anything fun that I can do?
The shepherd boy thought for a while and came up with a wicked idea. It was to play a trick on the village people. He went over the edge of the hill and started yelling, "Help! There is a wolf chasing the sheep!" The village people heard the boy shouting and rushed up to the top of the hill to save the sheep.
Where's the wolf?
However, when they got there was no wolf, but the sheep grazing the grassland calmly. The boy laughed at them. "Ha ha ha, I just made that up. I can't believe I tricked you all." The village people became furious and warned the boy to not cry wolf when there is no wolf.
You must not tell lies.
Then they went back to the village. The shepherd boy said to himself, "This was so much fun." The next day, the shepherd boy felt bored again and decided to play a wolf trick one more time. The shepherd boy shouted, "Please help! The wolf is chasing the sheep!" Once again, the village people came out rushing towards top of the hill. But this time too, there was no wolf. The shepherd boy had fooled them once more. "Ha ha ha, I tricked you again," the villagers said angrily. "This is not right. We're never going to fall for this trick again." With no regrets on his face, the shepherd boy went back to his sheep. Few days passed. While the shepherd boy was lying under the tree, he saw some sheep running here and there. He quickly stood up and saw a wolf approaching to the herd. This wolf was real. "Oh!" The shepherd boy ran to the edge of the hill and started crying for help.
Help! Please, somebody help! There is a real wolf. He's going to eat all the sheep.
There he goes again. Does he think we are going to fall for trick again? Silly boy.
Hearing his cries, the village people didn't move an inch and decided to ignore him as they thought he might be fooling them again. The boy kept crying for help, but no one turned up. All he could do was stand up behind the tree and watch his sheep get eaten by the wolf one by one.
Oh no, my sheep! My poor sheep!
Some hours passed. The villagers wondered why the shepherd boy hadn't returned and laughed at them. They went up the hill and found the boy weeping alone. "There was a real wolf. Why didn't you come?" One of the villagers said, "Nobody believes a liar even when he's telling a truth." From that day on, the shepherd boy realized how bad it was to lie to someone he never did again. The shepherd boy took good care of the sheep and helped the village people. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe and like the video. Bye!